Hey guys, here with 2019 Honda Ridgeline. Customers complaining, like someone picking at or a dog might have chewed on the end of the armrests here. But only there. The rest of the car looks pretty good shape. Let's see if we can get it patched up for them. Okay, my friends. First thing I'm going to do is cover up my area here a little bit so we don't get this car too dirty. You can see that I don't know if this was a dog chewing on this or someone just wore it out, but I did go ahead and I made some fibers up in the color of the seats of this car. So we got close as we can there. I'll take a little bit of glue. Again, this dealer just wants it touched up, which we can do for them. That's what we do. So I just put a little glue on there. We'll blend this out. So just gonna fill that in a little bit and smooth it out. We didn't even lose our seam there very much. And we'll do a little on the top here also. Doesn't take much. These aren't very deep. It's just the fabric on top tore a little bit. So now we got it filled in a little bit. Worry about the color, we'll come back to that. I'm kind of happy with that. I'll take a little spray glue, shoot off to the side here, put a light coat, and right away I'll take some more of my fibers. And you can use an atomizer for this or not. We're just going to push these in. This is a nice flat material, so we don't need to have it all raised up like a velour material. So we can actually push these down in. Looking pretty good. So, one thing I like to do sometimes, especially on these blacks, doesn't hurt to I take a little SEM black plastic coat, and it's going to help me blend out all my colors a little bit more, and it'll actually help lock it down. And once that paint dries, it'll help lock those fibers down in there also. Now we don't want to touch it because we got wet paint on there. I'll try to give you a better view of it here. Let's get rid of the towel. As you can see, now our chew marks are gone. Customer be happy. They'll be able to sell the vehicle. Alright guys, here I just want to give you one last shot of what it would look like customer getting in the car for the first time. Looks pretty good. They'll never notice anything. My dealership will be happy. They'll be able to sell this car. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that. Please leave me a comment if you would have done it differently. What are your thoughts, ideas? I'd appreciate that. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching Magic Man, guys.